welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a manual reset on the PT-D220 label maker, and I'm also going to show you how to change out the internal cutter blade on this machine. Now, both of these don't need to happen often. Every once in a while you might have some trouble, and like they always say, when in doubt, turn it on and turn it off again, right? So for the manual reset, before I even show you how to do it, I want you to keep in mind, when you do a factory reset, it is going to completely wipe out the memory on your machine. That means all of your initial settings you put down here are gone, but most importantly, all of the files you have put together, all of the labels that you've created and you've saved files for future use, all of these will be gone, okay? It's gonna put you back to the very beginning, and I think that's extremely important to know before I show you how to do it, okay? You've been warned. And the next thing, of course, I'm gonna show you is the internal cutter blade and how to switch that out, okay? Before we get started, please thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm genuinely very appreciative for each and every one of you that subscribes to my channel. Because of you, I get to do this, and I'm very grateful. Okay, let's get started.
Now, while rare, every once in a while, you're going to run into an issue with your machine. It might take years for that to happen, but technology sometimes needs a little reboot. If you ever need to reset your machine, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Before I show you how to reset your machine, big disclaimer, it is going to do all the manufacturer's resets, right? So your language, your unit of measurement, your LCD screen, all of that is going to go back to zero. Also, any files that you have saved on this machine, any files will be gone. Again, files will be erased, okay? I've told you, I've warned you, files will be erased, okay? They won't be there. But now let's reset your machine. So step one, let's say our machine was on, okay? Step one, turn off our machine. Now, we are gonna hold down Shift, R, and then we're gonna press the power button, okay? Then we're gonna release the Shift button, followed by R, and you'll know it worked because it automatically just turned back on. So again, turn off your machine, Shift, R, power, release from Shift, power, R. You feel? One more time. Turn it off, Shift, R, power button, off power, off Shift, off R, popped right back up. And you'll notice it doesn't say welcome anymore. And again, your machine is now wiped clean, and hopefully will be working better for you.
The factory reset, it's like magic. Just remember, it does erase the memory of the machine. I can't stress that enough. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you how to do the internal cutter blade. You're gonna need a TC4, I'll put that right here, a TC4 replacement cutter, and it's super easy. Please be mindful that there is a blade in here and it is sharp, okay? If you're starting to get labels that are fraying or not really cutting all the way when you go to do that manual cut and you have to do it a few times, that is usually a good indicator that it's time to replace your cutter blade. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Reminder, don't touch the blade and listen for a little click. It's very easy, okay? Let's get started.
Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is, as you know, these label tapes here have an adhesive backing, right? So you know that you can peel all of your labels and they are sticky. Because of that, you have a little tiny tape cutter in here that sometimes can get gummed up. If you get to a point when your automatic cutter is not taking out your label tape and cutting it properly and it's kind of fraying and, you know, harder to cut, it means you might need a replacement tape cutter. This machine is a TC4 tape cutter, and then here is how you would take it out. Ready? It's in two parts. So like this and like this. This is the green part we want. We're gonna lift this out. Right? And so when you get it, it's gonna look like this. And when you get a new one in the box, this is kind of what it's looking like. You're gonna take this little piece right here. You'll notice we've got the little prongs and then the solid backing. Solid backing is gonna face me in this case. We're gonna push down. You heard that tiny little click. Ready? Heard that? Okay, beautiful. Now, the next thing we're gonna do, there's a tiny little razor blade in there, so you want to be careful. Be careful. Now, you see that there's these tiny little divots in here, and then you'll notice a little dial here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna slide. You've got this hole here, these tiny divots here. We're gonna slide this in. You notice it fits right there. You can kind of see that. and it clicked. So again, one more time. To take out, you're just gonna slide this out, pop this out, and this is what a TC4 is gonna look like when you get it new to you in the box. For install, we're gonna have this little prongs facing this way, away from us. Push until you hear that little click. And then again with here, you see this little spring, and we're gonna slide this in until this lines up, and we have a click. And you can put your machine back in, and you'll notice now that this is lined up to go right between the tape cutter.
And it's as easy as that. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you even more for subscribing to my channel. I seriously can't explain how grateful I am for you all. I really genuinely mean it. I love this, and I love what I do, and because of you, I get to do it. I'll see you next week while we continue on with this PTD220 label maker.